Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can count word in Excel. How to count word in Excel. So let's start with the video. This is easy and very quick way how to use Excel to word count total words. So let's start with the video. So before you are going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to comment below. So let's start. Let's start video. So this is a sample. I have this data like one data. So this is a very easy and quick trick that it functions will work easily. So first you have to select the all data that you want to count word into, and just copy the data. And in for the next step we need the Microsoft Word. So just open Microsoft Word, and now just copy paste by control hotkey like control and V. It will be copied here, and in bottom line you can see the total words count. So you can see when you click here, show you the page word is 12, character 73 with no space 73, character with space 73, paragraph 12, line 12. Okay, so if you're looking for word, so you can see the word here only 12. So that is how you can count word in Excel in with this trick by using the Microsoft Word. So if you want to count word in Excel itself, so let me know in comments. I will show you the how I will make the video to count the words in Excel itself. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.